2 a.m. A tenant has a question about their pet deposit. Before AI. No answer until morning. Frustrated resident, potential non-renewal. After AI. Instant response. Happy tenant, lease renewed. Today we are breaking down exactly how property management companies are using AI to answer tenant questions around the clock, and which tools are leading the way. Here is the number that should get your attention. Renters who feel ignored are far more likely to leave. Every unanswered question, after hours, is a small leak in your retention bucket. Think about the daily communication volume hitting your team. Rent due date questions, pet policy clarifications, parking disputes, maintenance status updates, lease renewal terms. Every one of those lands on a real person. Your staff handles it during business hours, but the questions do not stop at 5 p.m. The gap between when tenants ask and when they get an answer is where lease renewals quietly die. Let us start where most operators should start. The simplest possible entry point. If you manage a small portfolio or boutique rental operation, you can test the concept today using ChatGPT. You create a simple custom assistant with a system prompt like this one. You tell the AI who it works for, what topics it handles, and what tone to use. Then you share the link with tenants or embed it on your site. No integration required. No tech team needed. It will not connect to your property management software, but it will cut down the repetitive questions hitting your inbox every day, and it costs almost nothing to try. Once you're ready to move beyond a basic prompt, these purpose-built platforms take things to a completely different level. Elise AI is one of the most widely adopted platforms in multifamily. It acts as a centralized communication hub, handling inquiries from both prospects and current residents through your website, chatbot, SMS, and email. For a 200-unit community fielding dozens of daily questions about lease renewals, maintenance status, and pet deposits, Elise AI takes that load off your leasing team entirely. No question goes unanswered after hours, and your staff gets to focus on the work that actually requires a human. Conduit takes a unified front desk approach. It combines AI voice and text to manage resident questions, maintenance requests, and rent-related issues across SMS, WhatsApp, email, and voice all in one system. What makes it stand out for commercial or mixed-use operators is its agentic design. It does not just answer questions. It takes action on them, routing the right issue to the right department without any manual handoff. If you're managing communication across multiple channels and multiple property types, this is the platform that brings order to the chaos. Stan AI is built with speed of adoption in mind. You upload your community documents and Stan instantly learns your policies, pet rules, parking regulations, and lease terms. No manual configuration. For HOA management companies and condo associations that field the same 20 questions on repeat, Stan becomes a knowledgeable virtual front desk that knows your specific property inside and out. Available every day of the year. Here is how those three platforms stack up across the factors that matter most to property managers. Elise AI is the strongest fit for large multifamily communities. Conduit wins for mixed-use and commercial operators who need multi-channel action, not just answers. Stan AI is the easiest to get live quickly, making it the right starting point for HOA operators and residential managers who want fast time to value without a complex implementation. AI does not replace your team. It protects their time for the work only humans can do. Let us look at how different property management businesses are putting these tools to work right now. Multifamily communities use Elise AI to handle late-night questions about lease renewal pricing and pet deposit policies without pulling a single team member away from other work. Residential managers spread across multiple zip codes use Stan AI to instantly answer HOA rules and rent portal questions. Mixed-use and commercial operators use Conduit to route tenant questions through SMS and WhatsApp to the right department. Whether that is leasing, maintenance, or billing, all without adding headcount. The path from where you are now to a fully operational AI communication system is shorter than most operators expect. You can test a basic ChatGPT assistant this week, evaluate purpose-built platforms within 2 to 4 weeks. be fully live with automated tenant communication inside of 60 days. The operators who start now will have a meaningful advantage over those who wait another quarter. The adoption gap is real, and it is growing. Early movers are pulling ahead on tenant satisfaction scores, renewal rates, and staff efficiency. The longer you wait, the harder it becomes to close that gap. Whether you manage 50 units or 5,000, the tenants in your portfolio are asking questions right now that your team may not be able to answer until tomorrow. Book a paid AI audit, and we will give you a clear, actionable roadmap showing exactly which tools fit your operation, your budget, and your tenant communication challenges. No generic advice. A plan built specifically for your portfolio. Subscribe for more practical AI strategies built for property management operators.